Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amit, local Portland realtor. Today we're going to talk about the RMLS listing report for Portland metro area. We're going to cover what happened last month, how it compares to November of 2024 compared to this November of 2025, and we're going to compare to October and November of 2025, and we're also going to see where the market is going into, and I will give you also insight on the market based on my opinion. So let's start now with the new listings. New listings has decreased 1.5% from the new listing that listed in November of 2024, and they decreased 39.3% from listing that listed in October of 2025. So we see there is a big decrease in new listing that happened in November compared to October. As sellers, a lot of sellers holding off right now because the time of the year. And in my opinion, if you're thinking to sell, it can be only a benefit for you because you have much less competition. So you, in order to sell faster and maybe for more money. Let's move forward to the pending sales. Pending sales has increased 2.9% from the offers that accepted in November of 2024. And they decreased 18.1% from the offer accepted in October of 2025. So what we can see here, and we also can look at the new listing that was listed in November versus October, and we can see it did go down compared to October. But what we can see here, that the new listing that were listed in November went down by 39%, but the offers that got accepted went down 18%. So there is still a big gap of people that looking to buy versus new listing that coming on the market. Let's go keep forward and go to the closed sales. Closed sales decreased 9.6% from closed sales in November of 2024, and they decreased 26.4% from closed sales in October. So we do see the slowdown. We do see there is a little bit less of activity with closing and sales and new listings as well, obviously, but that's still not saying that there is not buyers out there for you sellers that looking to sell. Right now there is still a good amount of buyers, but more serious buyers, less lookers, less shoppers, only ready, willing, and able and ready to make the move buyers. So the inventory and time on market has increased to 3.8 months in November, which totals to 72 days average on market. A little bit more than 2 months. That's a little bit high in my opinion, but still not very bad. To have your house on the market for 2.5 months and have it sold is not that bad. Year-to-date summary, if we compare the first 11 months of 25 to 2024, we can see that new listing has increased by 2.7%, pending sales increased by 1.3%, and the closed sales has increased by 1.1%. As we can see, the market is a little bit more active than last year. Some months are better than the other if you kind of like break down month by month, but we still see that year by year the market is still active, is more active. Prices, in my opinion, right now they're kind of like in the correction side in the past 3 years. Since the rates were like 3%, everybody were like overpricing. There was bidding wars everywhere, so that dragged the price up. And then sellers had in their mind, okay, this is the price I want, and this is the price I want. And slowly the market started to correct itself, and the prices now is coming to normal, in my opinion, what it's supposed to be, because it was set up high because all of their bidding wars and people were overpaying for almost every house. So that's why the prices now is being corrected, and most of the people think, oh, the market is bad, it's going down, it's going down. The only reason it's going down because it was overpaid a few years ago, and that's why it's correcting to actual market value right now. Let's go now to the average sell price. We compare 25 to 24 through November. The average sell price has increased 0.3%. Is not much. Is difference of $2,000 for 611,600 to 613,600, just $2,000, but still goes up. Thank you guys for watching. until here. Make sure to like, subscribe this video. I hope this has been helpful for you. Drop in the comments any questions that you have. I personally answer them as well. Let me know also what you would want to know about more about the market. If you have any questions, specific topics that you want me to do a video or give you an opinion about, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.